Um, Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class. Okay, please don't forget to write your class, like 3/1, number 22, same as touch it. And last week I told you that this week it will be Teacher Alex's class, but we changed the timetable. So for now, I'm going to teach you math for 1 hour. We will start at 10:10 and ends at 11:10. Please tell your classmates to join the class now. Before we proceed, I would like to say thank you to the class leaders of room 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and room 7. Room 6, you did not submit your homework. The leader of room 6, please add my line. Edna0723, only room 6. You were not able to submit your homework last time. The rest are okay. If you did not submit your homework yet, please do so. If it is late, it's okay. I will maybe deduct some points from that. Pawina, welcome to our online class. From room 6, number 21. Pawina, please tell your leader that I need your homework. Also, Pawaris, who is the leader of room 6, I need your homework. Homework of all students from room 6. Pichanok, welcome. Natpakon, Wirada, Patarawat of room 2, Bonyarit, and many more. What is our topic for today from Chayapat? It's the same, systems of linear equations in 3 variables, but we will be using another method, which is using the Kramer's rule or the matrix. Some call this topic as like the shortcut way of solving a 3 by 3 matrix or solving systems of equations in 3 variables. So in 1 minute, we will start the topic. I'm just waiting for a few more students to be online. Warada, welcome to our class. Patun Kon, Ananta of room 7. Good morning, students. As what I mentioned a while ago, this is not Teacher Alex's class. As what I mentioned last week, it's math class now because we changed the timetable for this week. So if there are more changes, please look at it. So if there will be no more changes, we will have math every Tuesday. Okay, we will start now, students, our lesson for today. So let's have the objectives for today, and we have here at the end of the session, all M3 students should be able to recall the definition of some words that we already studied, and also I cannot see well. Okay, solve systems of equations in 3 variables using Kramer's rule. Okay, so these are the 2 objectives for this session. Let's move on to the next. So let's recall some words. So let's have this. Unscramble the following words. So I'm going to give you like a few seconds to unscramble the words. And make sure that you have your paper to write all the answers So I think there are 4 words. If you have paper, can you prepare the paper and pencil or anything to write with that? So you can answer all the words that we already studied before. So unscramble the following words. So these are the words. Number 1 is this. Number 2 is, okay, 3 and 4. Okay, I would like to give you a few seconds to answer, and you have to answer 1. You write number 1, and then 2, 3, 4 together. Again, if you are Araya Lin of room 3, you can write 1, answer, 2, answer, 3, answer, and 4. You have to unscramble the words. Okay, start now. I'll give some points to those who can answer right away. Okay, I think I have to get only 5 students. Please comment your answer down below. The 4 words that we already studied in math. We have here from Chayapat. I don't know, wrong spelling, sorry, no. You have to write the correct spelling of the words. Okay, Chayapat, you improve your answer. Chayapat from room 8. Yeah, one of your answers is wrong. Yeah, okay. Chayapa, thank you for your answer. You have to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4. Yeah, all 4 together. And scramble the words. No, no, no. You have to answer all 4 students. 1, 2, 3, 4 together. Just like Chayapat from room 8. Yeah, yes. Okay, I'm waiting for the answers so I can give some points, extra points. Tanakrit from room 3, very good. Okay, you have the correct answer. So that's from room 3. Room 3, Tanakrit. Okay, very good. Who else? This is from Napat Pond from room 1. Sorry, wrong spelling. You have to write all the answers incorrect spelling. Who else? Okay, let me check the comments. Okay, Tinakrit, correct. Who else? From room 7, all the answers. You have to write all the answers together. Okay. What are the words? Okay, last minute. Let's see. Chayapat from room 8. Okay, all of your answers are correct. So room 8, then Tanakrit, what is your number? No, Chayapat. Where's Chayapat of room 8? That's it, number 10. 3, 8, number 10. All correct. Yes. Chanon, room 1. Wrong spelling. No. Araya Lin. Complete. Araya number 1 is wrong. The rest okay. Who else? Chayapat, room 8, number 1. Correct. Yes. Very good. Good job. Good job. And then I need a few more from Tanya, room 3. Yes, Tanya, room 3, number, who is Tanya? Number 3. Okay, number 39, room 3, number 39. I need one more. So that's it. After Tanya, we have Natpakon, Natpakon. Okay, Natpakon from room 8, number 31. These are the top 5 students. These students answered all the 4 words correctly. So what are the words? What are the words, students? The first one is substitution. Okay, correct spellings. It would be S-U-B-S-T-I, substitution. Okay, we use this method when one of the variables has one coefficient of 1. Okay, elimination. The second is elimination. Elimination. So we eliminate some variables if you want to solve the systems of equations. So standard form, the underlined word is only standard or standard form. What is standard form? You remember what is standard form of the equation? It is, okay, I will write here the equation. Okay, ax plus by is equal to the constant. So this is a number, usually integer, a constant or an integer, and then this is c. So this is in standard form. There is no decimal or fraction in this case. So this is a line or an equation in standard form. Okay, the next one, the last one is this. It's variables. What are variables? Variables are the unknown. When we say unknowns or unknown, it means letters. In math, letters. Example, the letters X, Y, and Z are called variables. So we usually use X, Y, and Z. Can we use other letters? The answer is yes. But we usually use X, Y, and Z. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, this lesson is about solving systems of equations using Kramer's rule. Everyone, students, please repeat Kramer's rule. Okay, Kramer. So Kramer's rule, or the rule of Kramer's. What is this all about? Okay, let's see. Solving systems of equations in three variables using Kramer's rule. For example, number 1, solve the following equations. X minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 7. 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4. Negative 3x plus 2y minus 2z equals negative 10. Okay, let's show the solutions for this. Solutions using Kramer's rule. So I have here the same equations that are found on the previous slide. So how do we do this? Okay, let's have maybe white for you to see the numbers. So for this Kramer's rule, we get the determinants. So what is this determinant? Okay, determinant. Master, could you please check if you can see the letters? Or I changed the color?
Yes.
Can you see? Okay. Okay, determinant. First, you have to find the determinant. What is a determinant? A determinant is just a value. A scalar value, meaning it is a number. Usually, it is an integer. What is an integer? Example, 1, 2, 3, or -1, -5, -7. No fraction. So it's just a scalar value that can be found from a matrix or a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, where will we get the matrix? From the numerical coefficients of x, y, and z. Okay, where will we get the matrix? Where will we get the elements of the matrix? From these. The numerical coefficients, again, of x, y, and z. Okay, so for example, let's have here 1. Okay, this is 1, -2. Okay, next we have 3. Then 2, next 1, numerical coefficient of z is 1. Next, -3, and this is 2, and this is -2. This is what we call a 3 by 3 table or a matrix. So this is it. So we can have like this, 1 and 2. We can put lines like this, left and right. So we get only all the numbers, the coefficients here, numerical coefficients of x, y, and z. Again, x, y, and z. That's it. And then you can have here plus, minus, plus. You just put plus, and then minus, plus. It's always this way, plus, minus, plus. Okay, so how do you get the determinant, which is the value that we need to all of the solutions? So you will just have this. Get first, the first number here, it's 1. So for the determinant, okay, I'll write the word determinant on the right side. So for the determinant, to do like this. So for the determinant, you get this. Multiply 1, okay. It's plus here, so you just have plus 1, or no need to write the word, the plus. So it should be, okay, 1. Okay, or you can have here, okay. We'll have 1 times. So what is it? So 1 is in this column. 1 is in this column, and also 1 is in this row. So you cover this, like this. Okay, it's like this to this. Maybe we'll have the highlighter so you can see. Okay, for the highlighter, I can use maybe this. So we will cover. This one belongs to, okay, and then this one belongs to this. Okay, you cover, I think it's not covered. Okay, so this one belongs to this column and 1 belongs to this row. So what are you going to do is to do multiplication. So you have to, I think maybe red, this. Okay, multiply. Okay, so what is this? Can you see it? Okay, maybe I'll change the color to white, and another colors is better. Okay, maybe another color which is, okay, this one here. Okay, maybe this one anyway. So to do this, you have to multiply. So 1 times -2 is -2. Arrow down, you multiply 1 and -2. 1 times -2 is -2. Okay, I'll write it here. Okay, so I can remember. And then arrow up like this. And then 1 times -2 is -2 minus 2 times 1 is 2. Again, arrow down, product of arrow down, 1 times -2 is -2 minus product of arrow up, 2 times 1 is 2. So the answer is equal to -4. So you have to write -4 here. -4. Again, arrow down minus arrow up. Always arrow down minus arrow up. Okay, that's it. So I'll erase this one here now. So we can proceed to the next. Okay, I'll erase first. Okay, you have to follow only that, and then we'll see if we can have more. Okay, this is 1. Okay, and I have here 1, and then I'll check. I have 2 and -2. I just erased what I had a while ago. Okay, so always remember arrow down minus arrow up. Always arrow down minus arrow up. Everyone student say arrow down minus arrow up. Always that. Okay, like that. And then this is it. We are now here at negatives. It should be minus. Sorry. So it would be minus. This is -2. So you have to copy -2 times this. So it should be arrow down minus arrow up. So again, minus -2. He's here, minus -2. So -2 belongs to this column. -2 belongs to this row. So we will not include these numbers. Again, this and this. Do not include these numbers and this. No. Again, this and this do not include because -2 is in this column and this row. So what is left is this and this. Arrow down minus arrow up. Again, 2 times -2, arrow down minus arrow up. So it should be this. 2 times -2 is -4 minus -3 times 1 is -3. So it should be -3. So it's -4 plus 3. The answer is -1. Okay, negative 1. Again. So this and this. Do not use this column and this row because negative 2 is in this column and in this row. No. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. And simplify. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1 and copy it here. Okay? And the last is plus. The last is plus. Okay, I'll erase what I have here so it's easier for you to look. Okay, I'll erase this one no more. Finish. The last is plus 3. So I will write 3. Sorry. Plus 3. Okay, open, close. So what is this open, close? What's the answer here? So 3 is here in this column and in this row. So students, do not use the numbers in this column and in this row. So what is left is 2, 1, negative 3, and 2. So what is the rule? Arrow, down, product of arrow, down, minus product of arrow, up. So what is this now? 2 times 2. Answer, 4. Minus arrow up, product of arrow up. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. So the answer is 4 minus negative 3. Answer is 7. So the answer here is 7. Okay, let me erase this. It's clearer. So this is it now. This is for the determinant. So what's this? Simplify. If you simplify, the answer would be this. Negative 4, negative is, negative times negative, we have negative 2. Okay, and this is plus, what is this? 21. And then this is negative 6 plus 21. So the determinant is equal to 1,5. The determinant is equal to 1,5. This is just the determinant. So if you are fast, you can do this as fast as you can in a few seconds. So the determinant is only 15. What will we do with the determinant, students? We have to find the value of x, y, and z. If you are in this case and you're doing it alone later, it should be very fast. Okay, so you have to do this. You have to write this one. So to find x, you have to have dx over determinant. To find y, you have to have dy over d. And to find the value of z, you have to find the determinant of y over the determinant of d. Everyone, students, can you please follow teacher for the formula? So to find x, you have to speak. At home, you can also speak about it. So what is x? X equals determinant of x over d. Please follow. Y. Y equals dy over d. And to find z, I have to change it. No. Okay, to find d, you have to find determinant of z over d. Only this. And then we move to the next slide for the solutions because it's not enough. So I have here the next one. Okay, it's the same, yeah? So you have to write here the determinant which is equal to 15. A while ago, it's 15. Okay, so we solve now for the value of x. How do you find the value of x? Again, if you are going to remember, so dx over d. So you have to find the determinant for x over d. D is 15. So we have 15. Yeah, just write, copy, substitute 15. So what is dx? So the determinant of x over d. So what we have here is, remember a while ago, 1, negative 2, and 3. And then we have 2, 1, 1, and negative 3, 2, and negative 2. And you can have here close, open here, and then 7 is equal to 7, is equal to 4, is equal to negative 10. So these values are from here. 1, negative 2, 3 equals 7. Again, 2, 1, 1 equals 4. Negative 3, 2, negative 2 equals negative 10. Okay? Oh, by the way, before I proceed, do you have questions? Students, do you have questions? Daria, welcome. Max, welcome. Araya Lynn, is that your answer? What is that? 7. Do you have questions? If you have questions, please write it down now before I proceed to find x. At the beginning, yes? You don't understand. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. We need practice. Ploy. It's okay. It's okay. We can have more. Yeah. Ploy. Yes, it's okay. Tayut. And who is this in Thai? Can you teach? So first find the determinant x. First find the determinant and then x, y, and z. If you cannot get it, we can have more example later. You are confused of the chart. Why are you confused of the chart? Again, okay, thank you for your questions for students. Okay, again, from the chart, what is this? 1. Coefficient of x is 1. 1x is 1. Negative 2y or minus 2y. Coefficient of y is negative 2. Write the number. Negative 2. And 3z, the number is 3. The numerical coefficient of z is 3. And this is 7. 7 comes from here. How about 2? 2x, the number is 2. 1y, so 1. We don't usually use 1 here. 1y is just y. Z is 1. And the answer equals 4. Equals 4. So these are the numbers, the last. Negative 3 from here, negative 3. And y, the coefficient is 2. And negative 2 from here, minus 2z. So the numerical coefficient of z is negative 2 and negative 10. So you just write all the values or all the numerical coefficients. 7 comes from here, 4 comes from here, negative 10 comes from here. And the determinant is 15 is from what we had a while ago. Okay, we will have more later. You don't understand the arrow. Okay, we will have more of this here. Yeah, okay. The previous one, we will have one more later. Don't worry too much, students. Yeah, okay. Yes. We will have it. Yeah, okay. Do you have more? Okay, we proceed to this now. How to find x? You see, how to find x? dx over d. So for x, this is x. Copy the answer here. So instead of writing 1, 2, negative 3, no. Because you have to find x. Do not copy 1, 2, negative 3. No. So in this case, we will have 7, copy the answer, which is 4, and negative 10. So for the x column, do not copy all the numbers. Instead, write 7, 4, negative 10. For the y column, the same numbers. Copy only negative 2, 1, and 2. And for the y column, so you'll have 3, 1, negative 2. Okay, I'll make it bigger. I'll make it bigger so you can see clearly. Okay, for the arrow, okay, next time. So for this, we'll have 7. Okay, 4, negative 10. Copy. Because you have to find x. Change this. Change to 7, 4, negative 10. Next, negative 2, 1, 2. copy the y. So this is x, y, z column. Copy the y column. Negative 2, 1, 2. And copy the z column. 3, 1, negative 2. This is it. Again, instead of copying x, because we have to find x, do not do it. So you copy 7. This, the answer for copy negative 10. And then for the y column, copy everything. For the z column, copy everything. And don't forget to write over 15 below, which is the answer that we had a while ago. This is 15. This is D. Just substitute. Okay, so to find x, you look. To find x, you have to write here, okay, I'll change the color to red. Okay, this is plus, minus, plus. Okay. So to find x, this is it. This is the scalar values. Okay, we have to solve for the matrix. Okay, 3 by 3. So this is it. To find x, so you begin with this. 7. Okay, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, this is plus 7 or just 7 times. Where will I get the answer here? So 7 is in this column. 7 is in this row. So it's like we have to copy. Okay, and do like this. Okay. 7 is in this column. 7 is in this row. This. So you don't need these numbers here. So what is left is this and this. Again, 7 is in this column and 7 is in this row. So you don't need these numbers for this. No. So what is left is arrow down minus arrow up. Arrow down is 1 times negative 2. So it's negative 2. Yeah, this is 1 times negative 2. Minus 2 times 1. This. 2 times 1, which is 2. Arrow down, 1 times negative 2, negative 2. Arrow up, 2 times 1 is 2. And there's a minus between them. Product of arrow down minus product of arrow up. One more. Product of arrow down minus product of arrow up. This is it. Negative 2 minus 2. So this is negative 4. Yeah. Next, minus negative 2. Copy this. Minus negative 2. Okay. So solutions here. What's next now? Negative 2 is in this column. Yeah, negative 2 is in this column. And negative 2 is in this row. This and this. So you don't need these numbers. You don't need these numbers. This. You don't need these numbers. So what is left here is, okay, let me erase this one here. Okay, erase it a little bit. Okay, so what do we have here now, students? This, arrow down minus arrow up. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Again, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Minus negative 10 times 1. Negative 10 times 1. There's a minus. Again, negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. Again, arrow down minus arrow up. 4 times negative 2 is arrow down and minus negative 10 times 1 is arrow up. And then solve. Negative 8 plus 10 is 2. Negative 8 plus 10 is 2. So the answer here is times 2. Next, plus 3. Plus 3. Okay, I'll erase this one. Okay, the solution here is clearer. Okay, let me erase. So this is it, plus 3 times something. Oh, plus 3 times something. Okay, let me have. Okay, sorry. 3 times something here. So where will we get the something? Arrow down minus arrow up. So 3 is in this column. And 3 is in this row. Look. So you don't need these numbers. You don't need these numbers. So what we have is 4, 2, negative 10, 1. 4 times 2 is 8, minus, arrow down, minus, arrow up, arrow down. 4 times 2 is 8, minus, arrow up, this. So negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. The answer here, 8 plus 10, which is equal to 18. So you have to write the answer 18 here, okay? And simplify the answer over the determinant. The determinant is equal to, 15, 1, 5. So we have here 15 equals 4 times negative 4 is negative 28 minus negative 4, negative 2 times 4 is negative 4. So this is plus 4. And I have here 3 times 18, which is 54, all over 15. Simplify this. Negative 28 plus 58. Yes, all over 15. So the answer is equal to 30 over 15. Negative 28 plus 58 is 30 over 15. So the value of your x is 2. So this is it. I will write all the numbers here. The determinant is 15. X is equal to 2. Students, don't worry too much. We need only practice for this. It's only at the beginning that you get confused. What is arrow down? What is arrow up? But if you do it, practice it well, you can do it as fast as maybe 5 minutes or 3 minutes in one number. Okay, don't worry, we have more. Okay, so this is x. X is 2. Do you have questions? Where did D come from? It's from the previous one. We used a while ago, ploy of, I don't know, which room are you ploy? It's from the previous one. Did you come to my class a little bit late? Please review what we had a while ago. Yes, Ploy, please review what we had a while ago for the determinant. Thank you for your question. Okay, so this is x. X is equal to 2. You have to do the same method for y, okay? So to find y, I don't have enough space, so can I erase it? And then just review what we had here. Okay, I'll erase everything to find the value of y. Okay, anyway, this is recorded, so you can just review what we had because we need space for this. So for the y, you can solve for y. Okay, anyone who can solve for y, you can try it. Okay, remember to find y, change the y to the answer on the right. Okay, if you are good already, then you can begin it. Okay, if not, you listen. Determinant is D. We have to find y. Okay, to find y, okay, we'll do it a little bit faster now. To find y, we have dy over d, which is equal to, okay, open, and then this, over d, which is 15. We do this fast, a little bit fast. Okay, dy, okay, over 15, over d, which is 15. So where will I get dy? Okay, from here. So instead of y, copy this. 7, 4, negative 10. And then for x, copy everything. 1, 2, negative 3. And for z, copy 3, 1, negative 2. How about for z? How to find z? dz over d. So how do you get the values? The matrix over 15. So dz, you have to find z. So instead of z, copy 7, 4. 7, 4, negative 10. And then y, you have to copy everything. 2, 1, 2. And for x, you copy 1, 2, and negative 3. And do the same as what we did a while ago. And you have to do as what we did it a while ago. So how do you do this? To find y, okay, we'll have y together. Go. To find y, 1. This is 1. Yeah? 1. 1. So 1 belongs to this column and 1 belongs to this row. Okay, so you multiply this arrow down minus arrow up. Again, arrow down minus arrow up. Product of arrow down minus product of arrow up. So it's positive 1 times. What is this? Negative 8 minus negative 10. Again, negative 8 minus negative 10. So we have negative 8 minus negative 10. What's the answer? Negative 8 plus 10. So the answer is 2. Okay. Next now, minus 7. So write minus 7 here. So it would be minus 7 times arrow down minus arrow up. So 7 is here. 7 is here. Do not get these numbers. No. So what is left is this and this. Arrow down minus arrow up. So arrow down, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Minus arrow up, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. So what's the answer? Negative 4 plus 3. Answer, negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3. Okay, plus 3. Okay. So when you have plus 3, this one here, 3 belongs to this column, 3 belongs to this row. Do not get this number, do not get these numbers. So what is left is this, 2 times negative 10 minus negative 3 times 4. 2 times negative 10, which is this, 2 times negative 10, arrow down, minus arrow up. Where am I now? Okay, 2 times negative 10, arrow up. Negative 3 times 4 is this. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Again, 3 is here and 3 is here. I erased already. 3 is here and 3 is here in this row. So you multiply negative 3, 2 and negative 10. And then negative 3 and 4, which is negative 12 minus. So negative 20 plus 12. The answer is negative 8. So let's see if we have it. Okay, negative 8, correct? Yeah, okay, and erase. Okay, and divide this by the determinant, which is 15. Which is 15. Okay, which is over 15. So what do we have here? Equals what? 2. Negative 7 times 7 is equal to plus 7. And then 3 times negative 8 is equal to negative 24 over 15. This is equal to 10. Minus 20, what is this? 9 minus 24, which is negative 15 over 15, correct? is equal to -1. So z here is equal to -1. Okay, who can answer for z? Who can answer for z? Okay, who can answer for Z? Students, if you are confused with this, go back to the previous one and then, Miss, can we use another method which we used a while ago, which was last week? Yes. This is just another method. Miss, can we use substitution elimination? Yes. This is just another method. Okay, please solve for Z. Same, solve for Z. Who can solve for Z? Araya. Aria, you have the answer. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, I need more students. Okay. Okay, maybe 3 minutes or 2 minutes. If you are fast, 1 minute, you can answer for Z. Aria, that's the answer. Are you okay? 3/5, room 5. That's the answer for X, Y, and Z. Monrodi, is that your answer? -1? Fumid, your answer is 1. Okay, let's see later if who got the correct answers. Please keep on commenting your answer so I can look at it later for your additional points. Okay. Again, students, you can use another method, the one that we had a while ago, last week. Substitution means elimination. Yes, this is just another way. And thank you, teacher. Who is this? Room number who? Thank you, Chanon. What are you, why are you thankful, students? You can use any method. This is just another method. You can use this when you reach M5 or M4. You can have it now. Thank you for having no homework. You have your homework. You have it. Students, we practice. We have to practice. You have to write your room number. Okay, letter Z. Okay, letter Z. How to find letter Z? Okay, the N. Thank you. The N. No, not yet, students. Letter Z. So the same. Z is equal to, Z is, what is this? This is, Z is -1. You have to find for 1. Oh, okay, let me change it to the, okay, so you have this one. Z is -1. Okay, I mean Y. What is Y? So this is Y. Oh, wait. This is, wait. Y dy over D. Wait, Y is, I changed this. Okay, so this is Y and this is Z. So this is, okay. This is the Y, correct. This is Y, I wrote wrong. Okay, this is Y, yes. I mean for Z, yes. A while ago, I asked for Z. Okay. I mean a while ago, Z. Okay, how to find for Z? Same solution on how to find X and Y. Yeah, letter Z. Z is equal to what? One more. Yes, it's okay. Ploy, it's okay. If you want to use substitution elimination, it's okay. It's okay. You can use it. Okay, this is just another method. So what is Z? Is it -1 or 1? So the answer is +1. So Araya, you're correct. And who else? A while ago, I have to back read your answers. Yeah. If you are confused, it's okay. You use another method during the test. During maybe if you have, like, can you read my name? No, I cannot read your name. It's in Thai. Okay, this is X, Y, and Z. Okay, we don't have enough time, so let's look first if we can have this one. Number 2. Okay, number 2. Yeah, number 2. Can you do this using Kramer's rule? So we do this fast. If you have comments, just write your comments below. We do it later. Okay, I will read later. So this is it using Kramer's rule. So how do you do this? Okay, anyone who can answer will receive points. Okay, this is it for number 2. Yeah, okay. For number 2, you look first, students, for number 2. Yeah, and you can have it later for your answer. Yeah, any. Okay, and then number 3. Okay, the next one. You have your homework. This is your homework. Yeah, this is your homework. You have this. everything, the format, and you have to write it on your A4 paper. Regular class students, you do only page 1. Okay, for STEM classes, you have to do page 1, page 2, okay. And this is it. So this is for regular or and STEM, page 1. STEM classes only will do 2. So STEM, you'll do page 1, page 2. Regular, only 1. Okay, so you do this. Okay, you just take photo of this. Yeah, we just take photo of this. So what is this for the crossword? And then you can have it. Okay, yes. This one, these are the questions. The words that we had a while ago. And do not copy this. No, do not copy. Okay. And you have to do this. Yeah, okay. Only this number, only one number. Only this number, 1 and 2. This for regular and students. And the number 3, only STEM class will do this. Yes, only STEM class will do this. The puzzle is for everyone. Regular class students will do the puzzle and STEM class students will do the puzzle. And regular class students will do only this. 1 and 2. Number 1 and 2 for regular class students. But for the STEM classes, STEM class, you have to do number 1, the puzzle. Number 2, number 3. Again, STEM class students, 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Okay? The rest will do this, number 1 and number 2. Okay. Yes, Ploy. Yes, Ploy. Thank you so much. So if you have more questions, you can contact me through my, line. And please don't forget the leader of room 6. Leader of room 6, I need your homework, last week's homework. So you can submit to your leader and then give it to me on or before 4 p.m. on Friday. Leaders, thank you so much for your help. See you next week. I hope you are all doing fine, and bye-bye.